And this is the part that I was searching for this, you guys, from 2016 to 2018, because I joined the course in 2018. And I was searching for this basically since I quit my job teaching, and I could not find anybody who was teaching me tangible steps to build up my business. I already got the return on my investment and a profit. So, and let me tell you why, okay? Because she teaches how to be found on Google. Do you know the code to be found on Google? How to rank #1. I'm talking about #1 spot. You are coming up when you type in whatever phrase you type in, you will come up #1. Hey teachers, I am Teacher Nikki, and the title of this video is about selling educational materials, but it's so much more than that. There's things that teachers stress about. What I'm here to tell you today is that you don't have to live that stress-filled life anymore. Life can be so much easier when you learn the things that I learned in this course. It's a game changer. The majority of us chose teaching as a profession because we really love helping people. And you know, I left the system in 2016 because I wanted to reach more people worldwide, and I found ways to do that, and I found unexpected ways to do that. One of the ways was by teaching online, but then I was like, you know, I really do want my own business, but I don't know how to do that. Like, I really had no idea where to start, except I thought about this one website called Teachers Pay Teachers. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but it's kind of like the Amazon.com of teachers. And when I went to go find out about that, I found this other teacher named Kayse Morris, and this lady has changed my life. It's unreal. So let me just tell you a little bit about the course that she has created, and I'm hoping that by sharing this with the world, the YouTube world, that you will see how much value you can get out of it. There's 2 super valuable things that you're going to learn in this course, but there's so much more than just those 2 things. But I want to narrow it down for you guys so you can get the big picture. So you're going to learn how to create resources for teachers, and of course those teachers are going to be reaching hundreds of students or thousands of students. And how do you reach that many people? Because so many different teachers will end up buying them, and it's not just teachers from one country, it's around the world, because like I said, it's like the Amazon.com for teachers. So you're serving so many people by creating those resources, but you're learning not just how to make any lesson plan, you're learning how to make it look beautiful and appealing so that people know, like, so that it's, you know, it catches people's eye, it catches people's attention. And not only that, but you're gonna be learning how to make it so that it's gonna be beneficial to both the teacher and the students. So you're making other people's lives easier while you're teaching so many people around the world. Now, the second part of this is the marketing aspect. And this is the part that I was searching for this, you guys, from 2016 to 2018, because I joined the course in 2018. And I was searching for this basically since I quit my job teaching, and I could not find anybody who was teaching me tangible steps to build up my business. I listened to so many webinars, took other courses, listened to podcasts, and I felt like they were just giving me crumbs. It was like, here's this little bit of information, here's that little bit of information. This course is not like that. I repeat, this course is not like that. You get so many tangible steps, and it is worth its weight in gold, because as I got like the early bird pricing, that price isn't even available anymore. So that's another thing to keep in mind, is that you never know if she's going to raise her price. So you can join the free training to see if it's a good fit for you, and then you'll find out the price, because I don't know if the price is going to change over time. That's why I'm not mentioning it in this video. I already got the return on my investment and a profit. So And let me tell you why, okay? Because she teaches how to be found on Google. Do you know the code to be found on Google? How to rank #1. I'm talking about #1 spot. You are coming up when you type in whatever phrase you type in, you will come up #1. So let me show you guys how I rank #1, and this is with both YouTube and my blog. And I know other teachers have ranked #1 in Teachers Pay Teachers, but she's not teaching about how to rank #1 in Teachers Pay Teachers. She's teaching you for Google, but other teachers took those tips and applied them to Teachers Pay Teachers, but that's not guaranteed. But I'm just saying, if you don't have a blog and you're worried about that, you don't have to, you can apply it to other areas as well. So let's check that out. So I want to show you guys how I rank #1 on Google. So first, let's take a look at the back end of my website. So I'm in WordPress, looking at the dashboard. You can see it's nikkilubing.com, and I want to look at the top posts and pages, and we're going to click on summaries. I'm using the Jetpack plugin. VIPKid is #1 in terms of traffic sources, organic traffic sources from Google. And I think that the no bookings topic is going to be more popular in the spring and summer when they're hiring tons of teachers. They kind of overhire during this season, and of course bookings go down for people. And then applying to GoGoKid, this has been actually this was #1. So I wonder if I click for the quarter if that will change. Yeah, applying to GoGoKid has actually been #1 for the year. So I've gotten all of these views, 864 views, and what do you think happens? I get people that apply using my referral link. So that's how I've made up for the course. I've more than paid for the course. I've now profited from the course because of what I learned about how to market myself, my website, my products, my referral codes online because of this course. And you can do it too. It doesn't matter what topic it is. So even among competitors, people who have way more followers than I do, I'm ranking at the top of Google. And in time, my goal is to outrank those other people with my website. So only time, hard work, it will happen. So first, let's take a look at the applying to GoGoKid. So if you type in GoGoKid application, my video is #1 and my website is #2 in terms of actual websites. Okay, next we want to look at VIPKid no bookings. Here I rank #1. And this is an ad. My video comes up #2. And this is among two really big competitors. And so we can type in other things too. So another one that I'm gonna rank for, so iTutor Group, I'm really not sure how I am ranking so high for this, because I know when I type in iTutor Group, my website doesn't come up. So I've searched and searched and even like going to page 2, I don't know if it comes up maybe. So I know this video is really popular. I don't come up until page 3 for iTutor Group, so I'm really not sure how I'm getting that much traffic. So you can see I got 380 views just for the quarter for iTutor Group. Okay, so for iTutor Group onboarding, I think I will be ranking #1 in due time. I literally just published this recently, so right now I'm #5, but you do see that I have the booking orientation as a top video for this. One more thing that I wanted to show you guys is related to one of my Teachers Pay Teachers products that I put into my Teachers Pay Teachers store. And this is the very first product I made, and I did sell several of these. Now keep in mind that this is for Black History Month, so it's a very niche product that really is only going to sell probably one time of year unless people are planning ahead. But because of the keyword research I learned, this is also ranking. If I type in inspiring journal prompts for Black History Month, I am at the top on Google. So I just wanted to show you both, things that were related to Teachers Pay Teachers and things that are not related, because this is so powerful, what you learn in this course. And whether you want to create teacher resources or not, this is really valuable. Another thing I want to tell you guys about this course is the number of freebies and bonuses in this course. That alone makes the course worth it, and the motivation that you get, because there's so many people in the course who are just go-getters. Like, those are the people that I want to surround myself with. The bonuses are related to social media. So if you want to know how to do Facebook Lives, if you want to know about YouTube, that's coming up in the next one. So YouTube bonus, I helped create that, and I'm so proud of it, you guys. So I hope that you get to see that one. I don't know, long term or whatever, if those bonuses are always going to be there, because you never know, things need to be updated. So just know as of June 2019 it should be in there, but fingers crossed nothing goes wrong, but it is supposed to be planned. The other bonuses are related to creating Google Slides, and so many, like, it's endless. Like, to me, when I was seeing all these bonuses, I was like, that alone, all the information I'm learning made the course worth it. And then on top of that, she does giveaways. I made $100 in the course. I made money, $100, because I won a giveaway. Hello, like, and she doesn't just do one giveaway. I think she's done, like, since I've been in the course, she's probably done like 10 giveaways or something. Some of the freebies include the clip art for your resources that you're gonna make. So you might be thinking, Clipart Freebie, well, the price that you pay, if you wanna like make resources that sell, because you're not just making any lesson plan, you're making things that like people want to buy, so it has to be visually appealing. So she gives you free things to make those. Fancy fonts, fun clip art, those things really help your product stand out amongst the rest. The type of people that are in this course, they are hardworking go-getters. So if that's you, come on in, come and join us and get that free training. Keep in mind that this course only opens 3 times a year, and the seats fill up fast.
You will have access to this training for almost 2 whole weeks, and then we take it down and it doesn't come back up. And truth be told, we're actually only going to be sharing this training probably once a year. We had a team meeting today, and we've decided that we've been so blessed and we are going to continue down this path, but that we are going to be focusing our efforts on so many things. So this teacher training may not be available until the summer of 2020. So make sure it's on your calendar, folks.
So you want to make sure that you can get in, because you don't want to wait if you're like, oh, let me think about it, I don't know. Because the reason you don't want to do that is because you could be like me, you could be making the amount of money, return on your investment plus a profit. So why would you wait, right? So anyway, if you want to help and serve others, if you want to start your own teacher side hustle or your own business, this is the place to be. Whether you want to sell products or something else, because what you learn about ranking on Google makes it worth it. Like, even if I wasn't making Teachers Pay Teachers products, if I just learned about the Google thing, that to me made the course worth it. So I hope to see you guys in Transform Your Resources. I'll still be in there as of 2019, and can't wait to see you guys and work with you, because this is the most motivating group I've ever been a part of, and I'm so proud to be a part of it. So see you soon.